Dear friends, welcome to my electronic channel. You to the again in another video. Today's topic is 32-inch Walton LCD TV vertical bar problem. Friends, I am turning on the TV to show you the problem. Look at the TV problem here. 1-4 is good and the remaining 3 part vertical bars. To solve the problem of this panel that is showing on the screen, we need to know some theoretical things. Friends, stay with me for a while. I will try to explain completely how to solve this problem. If you are going to do this work, you must try to share the matter with the customer because it is a very dangerous job. If you are going to do this work, you have a chance only once. There is no chance the second time. Therefore, talk to the customer about the matter and then try to do the work. So, let's get it started. The number of this boot is ledtvrepair Friends, let's try to understand clearly where the problem lies. This is the source scope of this TV and this is the DC to DC IC. From this IC, the gate driver signals enter both the right and left side of that cope. But we need to understand that there is a DC to DC IC. Why does that IC go into production mode? When the data signal from this DC to DC IC are input to the glass from both sides. The gate signal voltage is input to the glass along with two voltage VGS and VGL from the DC to DC IC. Along with that, two more voltage ABRD and PCOM are input to the glass from the source of IC. Then these voltages are connected to the sub-pixels of the glass and these are called pixels. And these are called sub-pixels or RGB filter. Now the ABRD voltage from source of is directly connected to the drain connection of the transistor. The sub-pixel and the beacon voltage is connected to the ground connection of the sub-pixels. Then we get the picture on the display. Then here our topic is why DC to DC IC goes into production mode. When the ABRD voltage from DC to DC IC hits the source scope, then the automatic beacon voltage turns off and the transistor gets short. Then the picture on that display goes off. So here we don't have any problem with CKV, but hey, it's okay. The problem basically starts from CKV. So the problem in this panel is pixel short. So on the display, so here we will try to do the job in another way. So let's try to do the job. So you follow here. This is where the problem starts. Then I will hit this place with hot air for 2 to 3 seconds. Then I will use the hot air of hot air. See, the vertical bar has been completely removed. Friend, please subscribe the channel. Please like the video and share it with the friends too.